Hello and welcome back to the Yopo Show and hashtag Yopo News. Welcome back. So today I am taking advice of the people who have commented on my video saying that I have been pausing it in too many places, so therefore I am going to let you guys listen to it fully from start to finish, seeing the Willow bullshit, and then I will give my 2 cents, which isn't going to be many since I've already given my 2 cents. Anyway, I am Yopo, and yeah, we'll talk again after the video.
See, let's get real.
That's so embarrassing.
We want to know. We have a question.
What is it? Very important question. And you don't need to feel shy about it.
No, you really.
It's natural.
It's natural. Is there anybody around? No.
It's natural for a girl at your age.
Yeah. So we want to talk to you. We want to explain what sex is to you. We did get really quiet.
Oh, where's the other peep? We should probably explain.
We'll use peeps. Okay, well, one peep and then we'll use you.
Oh.
Okay. So I'll just pretend like that's, I mean, that works.
Lucy, this happens.
See, oh.
Ah. And then you're so happy when you're an adult. I can't believe I'm endorsing this. Look what you've turned me into.
So Lucy, does that make sense?
Can you reenact it for us?
But Lucy, listen, you should be in love and you should preferably be married and hopefully not have any kids.
Okay.
And you should definitely be over the age of like 24, 25.
And he should put a ring on it.
And he should put a
ring on it.
dick ring on it. No, I'm kidding. No, you don't know what that is. You shouldn't know what that is. Okay. Now, are you on your period right now?
What?
I'm trying to get answers.
No. How old are you?
I'm not gonna give you anything.
So close.
How old are you?
I'm 12.
She's on her period,
feels very.
right?
No, what?
Are you? No, you're not on your period? You bleed.
No.
Now listen, you have a boyfriend, right?
Yeah.
Now, what did I tell you? When he says, "Can I put it in?" you say,
No.
"Good, high five, girlfriend." Now, when he says, "What about just in your mouth?" you say,
No.
"No."
You say, I bite. Right?
12 years old, everybody.
Oh, Willow. Oh, I'll whip your hair back and forth.
Yeah. I love you too. Can you twerk for us? I know twerking is insane.
Oh, I love you too.
Oh, I love you too. Now shut up and twerk. Maybe she can't hear us. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Twerk for us.
Oh,
here we go. She's moving in front of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah. Now tell her to show herself.
Stop it, Shaylee.
Love you.
Oh.
Exposed.
There you guys go. Does that work a little bit better? Anyway, I think I have already said what needs to be said. Shane Dawson was not joking. He is a pedophile. You saw how adamant he was when he assumed that she bled. This has been Lil Yopo Show with hashtag Yopo News. Signing off till next time. See you guys later.